Good morning, students of standard 12. Welcome in day 32. As you know that in day 31, I have started exercise 5B and I have solved question 1 and 5, and I have given to solve question 1 to 6 as a homework, and I hope you all are able to solve 1 to 6 question. Okay, so today I am going to solve from question number 8 of exercise 5B. So kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and your mathematics books and turn page number IC 152 to 161. Okay, and let us see question number 8 of exercise 5B. Question number 8 is here. You have to find the integration of e to the power 1 by x by x square dx with limit 1 from 2. Okay, you have to suppose here let 1 by x is equal to t. Okay, and then after you will find the first derivative of 1 by x. D 1 by x by dx is equal to dt by dx. You can write as 1 by x is equal to x to the power minus 1. That means you will find the first derivative of dx to the power minus 1 dx by dt by dx. Now you know the first derivative of x to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1 n x to the power minus 1. You will apply that formula dt by dx. Then it becomes minus x to the power minus 2 dt by dx, and you will write here x to the power minus 2 as 1 by x square. So it becomes minus 1 by x square dt by dx. So it becomes 1 by x square dx is equal to minus dt. Minus goes to right side and dx goes to left side. Then it becomes 1 by x square dx is equal to minus dt. Now change the limit. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, then you will put the value of x. T is equal to 1 by x. T is equal to 1 by x. That means t is equal to 1 by 1. X is equal to 1. So t is equal to 1. That means your new lower limit is 1. Now when x is equal to x is equal to 2, then you will put t is equal to 1 by x. T is equal to 1 by 2. So new limit is, upper limit is 1 by 2. Okay. And this is your question. You have to find the integration of e to the power 1 by x by x square dx with limit 1 from 2. Okay. Now put the value of limit, change the limit 1, and instead of 1 it is 1 also 1, and upper limit is 1 by 2 minus that here 1 by x square dx. 1 by x square is equal to minus dt. So you will put here minus dt instead of 1 by x square dx. Okay, and e to the power 1 by x is equal to t, e to the power t. Okay, and you know integration of e to the power t dt is equal to same e to the power t with limit half and 1. Okay, this is minus sign, minus e to the power half minus e to the power 1. So it becomes minus minus plus e to the power 1. That will give you simple idea e minus e to the power half. So this is your answer, and you can write it also e to the e minus half means under root e. Okay, so e minus under root e. This is your final answer. Okay. Now student, let us see next question. Now student, see question number 10. You have to find the integration of sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx with limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, you will solve. First of all, you will suppose let cos x is equal to, you have to suppose here cos x is equal to t. Okay, why? Because when you find the first derivative of cos x, then it becomes sin x dx. Okay, so you will suppose here let cos x is equal to t. Okay, and then after you will find the first derivative of this equation. D by dx cos x is equal to dt by dx. You know first derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. This becomes sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Sin x dx minus goes to right side, so it becomes minus dt. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, here t is equal to cos x, put the value of x is equal to 0, so t is equal to cos 0, and you know cos 0 is equal to 1, so t becomes 1, and when x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to cos x, put the value of x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to cos pi by 2, and you know cos pi by 2, that means cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay, now you will put the cos pi by 2 90 degree, yes, it becomes 0. Now your question is, you have to find the integration of sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx with limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, then after you will change the limit, 0 becomes 1 and pi by 2 becomes 0. Okay, so you will put here 0, 1 instead of 0 and pi by 2, 0 instead of pi by 2. Okay, so minus sign, you know sin x dx is equal to minus dt, minus dt sin x dx is equal to minus dt by 1 plus, put the value of cos x is equal to t, cos square x t square. Okay, and with limit 1 to 0, and you know 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square or t square is equal to tan inverse t. Okay, so minus, this is minus sign, this is minus sign, tan inverse t with limit 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, minus tan inverse, put the value of t, t becomes 0, minus tan inverse, put the value of t is equal to 1. Okay, so minus tan inverse, you know tan 0 is equal to 0, so tan inverse tan 0 minus tan inverse tan pi by 4, 1 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so this becomes tan cancel out, this becomes 0, minus plus tan inverse tan cancel out, pi by 4. So final answer is pi by 4. Okay, students, today I have solved two questions, question number 8 and question number 10. Now it's time for your homework. Write down homework. Now students, here this is your homework for day 32. You know I have discussed question up to 10 and question 10 to 15 is similar to each other. Okay, so you can solve up to 15 questions. So today's homework is homework for day 32. Do question 1 to 15 of exercise 5b. In next class I will continue from question number 16. Okay, so listen once again, this is your homework for day 32. Do question 1 to 15 of exercise 5b. Today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.